하이코코.
Hi beauties! Welcome back to Colour Correctors. Today I'm going to be talking about color correcting concealers and why we should use them. So what are color correctors? They are specially designed to cover any tone-related skin imperfections like redness, dullness, and hyperpigmentation such as underneath our eye, which is also known as dark circles. Whilst our foundations and BB creams help to cover mild skin discoloration, using a color corrector will give you the even tone coverage that you are looking for. The main idea of color correcting makeup is using complementary colors to even out the skin tone throughout the face. So everyone knows about the color wheel, right? On this side. So we're using the colors on our face to cover the colors on the opposite side of the wheel. So the orange color is specifically targeted to cover up the bluey purplish hues on our face, which is commonly known as our dark circles, as well as dark spots that are caused by sun damage or aging. So the problem with my dark circles is the pigmentation is rather intense. If I put multiple layers of foundation on it, the darkness still comes through. Hence why we need color correcting and a thin layer of foundation on top. So next up, green. So for those beauties who struggle from red spotula, as green is complementary to red. Green is really great in covering redness around the nose and the unwanted blushes around our cheeks. Last but not least, the purple. So purple helps to neutralize orangey yellow hues, helps to tone up dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and tone down overly orange skin. Not many of you know the secret to making your skin look flawless. For Korean celebrities, purple base or color correcting is a must. So many of our favorite celebrities have shared their beauty tips of using purple to brighten up their skin tone and also as a way to emphasize certain areas such as the nose, cheekbones, and the forehead. So here at Hikoco, we have the 3 color correcting concealers from the brand Clio. Shall we look at the texture? So the texture for me is quite silky and it's like a little velvet finish, is what I can see. It blends in quite well and it doesn't have like a cakey feeling, which is also a bonus as we're using this under our base. So how to use? So once you find the perfect color correcting shade that matches your concerns, make sure you just use a small amount and apply gently with your fingers or a makeup sponge. When you're using these concealers, make sure you dab it on instead of swiping it. If you swipe it, it gets cakey. The pressing technique, also called the tapping technique, can ensure the color correcting concealer to stay in place. So many of our beauties ask, when is the best stage to use these color correcting concealers? So my answer to that question is you first use a sunscreen and a primer, and then we move on to one of these color correcting concealers, whichever you prefer, and then you go on to your BB cream, your foundation, and then you finish off using a skin toned concealer to cover up the smallest parts if needed. So that's all we have for today's quick Coco Guides Color Correctors 101. So if you have any detailed questions or unsolved mysteries regarding these babies over here, feel free to reach us out in the comments down below. So don't forget to like and subscribe, leave the comments down below, and until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty! pretty가 안 돼.
됐어,
억지,
지금